We're constantly in two states in our life. We're either happy or we're pursuing happiness, right? That's it. That's it. And most of the time, we're just pursuing happiness. The happiness is so fleeting. We need to grab every moment in life that we can find to experience joy. We don't know what we're capable of doing until we're presented with that obstacle. If you're going this way and there's a mountain, well, you didn't know you can climb a mountain, but you did. Now you have stronger quads, and you also have a sense of confidence that's increased. I can't is a very dangerous word. I would venture to say the most dangerous word. It's where we convince ourselves that we're not great enough to do something. But I say if somebody else is great enough to achieve something, they've just set a precedent. That means you can get there. The first person who climbed Mount Everest was not the last. When we help each other, we gain self-worth. When we gain self-worth, we gain self-confidence. When we gain self-confidence, we begin to believe that we deserve what we want. And suddenly, the way opens. You have to have a long-term vision, because then you understand the journey becomes so much more valuable. Like, yeah, I took those steps because I wanted to get there, and then I got there. It's a sense of pride and achievement. Not a false sense of pride, a real sense of pride. You envisioned it and you achieved it. Wow, what else can you do?